Hi guys, welcome to my video, my third video ever. And in this video, I'm doing a French manicure with some crystal gems. They're simple, but they're very cute. And I'm doing it by a FemiBeauty method, or also like a bootleg pray method. Really, I was looking for a fast way to get my nails done because I didn't have much time and I needed my nails done for my trip to Paris. And it happened. I mean, this method did turn out to be pretty quick, or much quicker than my usual methods like sculpting or doing it as normal. So now I'm cutting up these full cover tips. These tips are from Amazon and they're perfect for like a FemiBeauty or a Prey method because they have quite of a high apex, so a lot of product can be fit into there to attach them later on the fingers. Mainly I'm gonna be doing the design on the stand. Like, I feel like 90% of the nail will be completed on this stand, and then the other 10% is actually when I apply it and attach it on. So now I'm buffing and removing the shine off of the nails. Mind you that these are not gel tips, these are just plastic tips. So in order for the gel polish or the polygel to stick on better, you need a rough area to work on rather than a smooth shiny one. And this also counts for the inside. Alright, so now all of the nails are prepped. I'm gonna start drawing on the French design right away. I don't really have a method. I mean, I guess I just put a line in the middle and drag the sides, towards it. I feel like this works the best for me. But I don't know. I feel like there's not really a proper or a right technique. I feel like everyone just draws them on in their own way. I mean, as long as the end result gives what it's supposed to give, then it's fine. So yeah, and I'm doing this French design with like a regular white gel polish. Unfortunately, I don't have a liner gel, so for this it was necessary to do 2 coats instead of 1, which is fine. It's okay. I mean, it did look pretty great at the end, so whatevsies. So yeah, what I really enjoyed about doing the nail design on the stand is that you really can take your time and perfect it and remove and perfect, and like in a much more efficient and better way than I don't know what happened there. I don't know why I went out off the screen for so long. Oh, I was probably very focused. Okay. Yeah, that's probably why. I had to take the nail out of this camera so I can really, clean it up and really, get in there and perfect it, as I was just saying. Yeah. But still, even if you go in and perfect it, it still takes less time than when you're doing it on your own nail. If that makes sense. Whoop, you see me struggling. Nope, nothing goes perfect, mama. Nothing goes perfect. But at the end of the day, she does look nearly perfect. Okay. No, I'm kidding. But yeah. I honestly should be making shorts, of my videos. I mean, I started off making nail videos on TikTok, and now I kind of migrated to YouTube because I feel like my videos do better on YouTube than TikTok. Like, my TikTok is so dead. But ever since I, kind of stopped doing TikTok, I also stopped making shorts. And shorts on YouTube do so much better than normal videos, but I'm so lazy to make shorts, But I really should. I don't even know if I'm gonna make a short out of this one. I'm probably not. I don't know. Which is fine. So yeah, as you can see, the nails are coming along, and I feel like this is in real time. I don't think I sped this up like that, or at least not this part. So it goes pretty fast, right? And it's quite satisfying to apply and to really, have it nicely done. So now we're curing, and we're gonna go in with some top coat. The first layer of top coat out of many. Since I'm not building structure on these nails, I felt like I could get away with, multiple layers of top coat. And, to really bring strength to the nail tips, since I'm not, building anything up on it. I don't know, it feels weird. It feels kind of like empty to just, wear the nail tips like that. I don't know. I just got used to, structure and having apex and building this and that and all of that shit up on it. Oh, so this is something I do. I don't even know if it works, but I hold it upside down, and I feel like thanks to gravity, the top coat will migrate towards the apex area and the center and bring like more of a curve to it. Maybe, I don't know if it actually works, honestly, but it works in my mind, so yeah. So now I'm putting some blue chrome. You can't really see the effect right now, but when I apply them, I promise you, you will. So here we're going with the second layer of top coats, because I need to secure this chrome. Okay? Even though you can barely see it, but it's there. Yeah. So I'm just doing that, applying a cute layer on top so we can cure. Let's go. And now for the fun part, I'm choosing these heart-shaped gems, like crystal gems, and they come in a bunch of different colors. I honestly didn't even look at the colors. I was just applying them willy-nilly, like I did not really care. And in this black pot that used to be a builder gel pot, I have a whole bunch of old clear polygels that I, when the tube kind of runs out, I cut them up, I scrape it all out, and I put it in this little pot, and I use the pot to attach my gems. And it's worked fine, and I also feel like I don't really waste products, so that's nice. So yeah, I just attach these gems with this, old mixture of clear polygel, and I apply it a little in the middle or right underneath the French. I also got these gems from AliExpress. I don't know if I already mentioned that. Cute. And now we're curing the last. No, I'm lying. It's not the final cure. It's not, because guess what? We're gonna go over it again with some top coat. I'm really doing the most with this top coat right now, but I don't regret it, because this really married, the charm, the polygel underneath, and the nail together, you know, make it look like it's one piece, or you know, that they belong together. So now we're heading for the final cure of these nails, and now we're gonna get to the fun part of application. I'm just putting on some nude polygel. I believe this is from Manicure, and I'm just tapping it smooth inside of the nail. And I do this over the entire nail again to, you know, secure some strength, you know, and apply it. Smooth out the back parts, and yeah, pretty simple, pretty easy. Now just put a little bit of polygel in there, tap it, make it smooth, and attach it on the nail. At times when you press it a bit, you need to clean it up, and I just clean it up with some alcohol and my brush, and as per usual. And then we cure, and they're done. They are done, and they're looking cute. I also file a tiny bit, you know, just to have them super sharp. I applied some cuticle oil because our cuticles have been through a lot. And yeah, this is how they're looking. How cute are they? They're like clean girl aesthetic, but cute. Let me know if you like them. Like this video, subscribe, and bye.